Welcome to the online course on Essentials of AutoCAD 2014. This online course is meant for beginners of AutoCAD with little or no awareness of this CAD tool. As with any major endeavor, we shall begin by tackling small manageable tasks. This online course is divided into two parts. Part 1, the basics. Part 2, mastering intermediate skills. Each part is considered as a milestone in the journey towards mastering AutoCAD. In this first part, you will become familiar with the way AutoCAD looks and feels. There are 5 chapters in the first part. Chapter 1, exploring the interface. This shows you to how to get around in AutoCAD. Chapter 2, creating the first drawing. Details how to start and exit the program and how to respond to AutoCAD commands. Chapter 3, setting up and using the drafting tools. Tells you how to set up a work area, edit objects and lay out a drawing. Chapter 4, organizing objects with blocks and groups. This explores some tools unique to CAD such as symbols, blocks and layers. As you are introduced to AutoCAD, you will also get a chance to make some drawings that you can use later and perhaps even in future projects of your own. Chapter 5, keeping track of layers and blocks. This shows you how to use layers to keep similar information together and object properties such as line types to organize things visually. After you have understood the basics, you will begin to explore some of the more subtle qualities of AutoCAD in the second part. This part contains 4 chapters. Chapter 6, editing and reusing data to work efficiently. In this, you will be made to aware about reusing a drawing set of information and parts of an existing drawing. Chapter 7, mastering hatches. This details how to use hatches in the drawing. Chapter 8, adding text to drawings. This tells you how to annotate your drawing and edit your notes. Chapter 9, using dimensions. Gives you practice in using automatic dimensioning. After completing these parts, you will be a hands-on AutoCAD user and you should be in a position to carry out most of the drafting activity using AutoCAD.